This Coldwell Banker Voetberg real estate property video is presented by Sybil Kuhn. These gorgeous rolling hills, beautiful views and peaceful surroundings. Mount Rainier shines on most clear days. The 5 acres you have been searching for. Fantastic soils, neighbor parcel has gravity septic, rare these days, power and phone already at the road. Plenty of aquifers with this great soil and potential well sites have been identified. Some of your amenities already there and others located for you. Adna School District, Chehalis address. Just a minute or two drive to highway, schools and then hop on I-5 for convenient location. Take the drive to find your dream building site here. Few parcels that give the easy of development, make your own community here. Land/home package would be ideal for this area. For more information